Namaste Acharya ji. My name is Forum from Ahmedabad and I'm 5 months pregnant. Yesterday, the session on Garbini Sangeet, it was really very amazing. Like the examples that you gave of importance of music that helps in the development of baby, as well as the ragas that we need to listen every month, which is also connected with the development of the baby. It was really very informative, and I have started listening to that music.
Very glad to know that these Sangeet played such an important role in the development of fetal's brain, body, and overall aura.
Yesterday's sessions I find really amazing because music importance, everyone knows like music is very important, but then it is very important in the development of child. It's completely new to me, and there are different ragas who's putting different kind of impact. It's really amazing to know that ये जो सबको इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग को मिली और जितने सिंपल वे में मिली. मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ, आपका जो सेशन रहता है वो इतने सिंपल वे में रहता है, वो हमें एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स नहीं लगानी पड़ती, वो डायरेक्टली इम्बाइब्ड हो जाता है.
Yesterday I attended your session on music, that is Sangeeta, and I learned the impact of music on human beings. That is how it impacts on a baby in the womb and what kind of music to hear month by month. And thank you for sharing all the documents.
Music has always been a cup of tea for me, but the way you explained that how ragas can affect the mentality and the overall development of my child. After that, I become a great fond of music, and I didn't know that this hobby of mine could be so much of effective for my child also.